Peak season's already here. Velocity beats margin every time. Elite brokers know it. That Sea Ray at 282K moves in 89 days. The Viking at 1.5M sits 347. While you chase one prestige deal, top brokers close 4 and bank real cash flow. Match inventory to velocity, not ego. BoatLife.ai helps brokers see the math. Your service bay tracks oil changes. Elite brokers track upgrade conversations happening during those same appointments. That's the difference between seeing maintenance revenue and seeing next season's sales pipeline. BoatLife.ai captures both. Your buyer decided during their last oil change. 45 minutes in your waiting area, looking at brochures, asking about newer models. That's when the upgrade conversation started. Most brokers miss it because buyers don't announce intentions, they gather intelligence. BoatLife.ai captures those signals before they walk to a competitor. Stable prices feel safe, but June's data shows transactions dropped 37% while prices held flat. That's not health, that's stagnation. Elite brokers track days on market, not averages. Every boat sitting 60-plus days costs you deals during peak season. BoatLife.ai helps you move inventory faster. Prices stayed flat. Deals vanished. One broker watched a buyer disappear over a weekend while celebrating stable numbers. During peak season, velocity kills profitability more than price. Every boat sitting 60 days costs you 2 to 3 deals. BoatLife.ai helps you move inventory faster. Your inventory mix beats your commission dreams. Sea Rays turn 11 times yearly. Vikings, less than 3. One fast boat cycles 3 times while one luxury boat sits. Velocity compounds revenue. BoatLife.ai helps brokers track what actually moves. Elite brokers don't chase the biggest commission. They stack inventory by velocity. A Viking sits 180 days. A Sea Ray moves in 45. 3 Sea Rays equals 1 Viking's revenue, faster cash flow, same payday. BoatLife.ai helps you build that engine. Service customers are upgrade prospects you're ignoring. That 72-hour window after maintenance? Most dealers miss it. Your CRM tracks the appointment, not the opportunity. BoatLife.ai flags upgrade signals and auto-sequences follow-ups within 24 hours. The owner who came for an oil change becomes your trade-in deal. Buyers research 6 weeks before calling you. They've already eliminated 73% of your competition, checked your reviews, compared pricing. By the time they're on your dock, they're confirming a decision made weeks ago. Elite brokers own the research phase. BoatLife.ai helps you capture them there. Service season isn't downtime, it's your richest pipeline. Every maintenance visit surfaces upgrade opportunities, referrals, and ownership insights. Dealers who treat service appointments as qualified prospect meetings close deals others miss. BoatLife.ai helps you capture that intelligence automatically. Your service bay is a gold mine you're not mining. That Grady owner mentioning a 35-footer? He's a sale. His 3 dock buddies? More sales. Capture service intel with BoatLife.ai, and your September pipeline fills itself. Volume down 37%, but prices stayed flat at 457K. That's not a healthy market, that's inventory stagnation. Only cream listings moved. The brokers winning June aren't tracking price, they're tracking velocity. BoatLife.ai helps you spot which boats actually sell. Stable pricing isn't a win, it's a warning. While most brokers celebrated April's flat market, elite brokers accelerated inventory velocity. They repositioned stock before summer service season hit. BoatLife.ai helps you move boats faster, not just price them smarter. Your CRM can't see what's coming. When vendor instability hits, outdated systems become deadweight fast. Smart brokers are moving now before the market floods with alternatives. BoatLife.ai adapts, others don't. Evaluate your infrastructure while you still have leverage.